Bonjour et bienvenue. Je m'appelle Payal and my channel's name is French Grammar by Payal. In today's class, we will study about the verbs, how they are being formed and how each and every verb changes their formation. First of all, we will start with avoir. Avoir means to have. J'ai means I have. Tu as, you have, we use it for the informal as per Hindi tu. Il a, he has. Elle a, she has. Nous avons, we have. Vous avez, you have. Formal as per Hindi ka आप. Ils ont, they have. Masculine plural. Elles ont, they have. Feminine plural. Here I have described how they changes. For example, if I take Ram and Rita ont the crayon, Ram and Rita clubbed will be called as ils form. Whenever there are 99 girls or one boy is there, at that moment also we always take the ils form. If the quantity of the number of girls are more and one boy is also there, then also we have to take ils form. Rita and Geeta own une voiture. They both are girls, so here we are taking ils plural form. Elles ont une voiture. Ma sœur et moi avons un stylo means my sister and me we have a pen. So that will be changed into nous avons un stylo. Ta sœur et toi avez une maison. Your sister and you have a house. They both will be clubbed as a vous form. Vous avez une maison. Aller means to go. Je vais, I go or I am going. Tu vas, you go or you are going for informal. Il va, he goes or he is going. Elle va, she goes or she is going. Nous allons, we go or we are going. Vous allez, you go or you are going for formal. For example, आप. Ils vont, they go, they are going masculine plural. Elles vont, they go or they are going for feminine plural. Third verb which is irregular, that is your être verb, means to be, very important verb in French grammar. Start. Je suis, I am. Tu es, you are for informal. Il est, he is. Elle est, she is. Nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes, you are formal. Ils sont, they are masculine plural. Elles sont, they are feminine plural. Here I have used how the être verb is used in some other forms also. C'est means this is. Ce sont means these are for plural. And il y a is an expression that means there is or there are. This is a practice sheet for putting avoir, aller and être for your own reference. Here I have started with the er ending verb group. This is called group first of verbs. Er ending verb to like. Let's begin how they are made. First of all, remove er, then we are left with the radical of aim. In the first form, in je form, we simply put e, es, e, nous form ons, vous form ez, il form ent and else form again ent. J'aime, I like. Tu aimes, you like. Il aime, he likes. Elle aime, she likes. Nous aimons, we like. Vous aimez, you like. Ils aiment, they like, masculine plural. Elles aiment, they like, feminine plural. This is also your ER ending verb. Here I have again mentioned how they are being formed simply by putting E, ES, E, E, ONS, EZ, ENT and again ENT. Nothing, there is no difference in I walk or present continuous I am walking. You walk or you are walking. He walk or he is walking. She walk or she is walking. We walk or we are walking. You walk or you are walking for formal. They walk or they are walking masculine plural. They walk or they are walking feminine plural. Here is a list of year ending verbs. I made this list so it's get easy for you to learn the first group, that is your year ending verb. Detester, to hate. Donner, to give. Tomber, to fall. Travailler, to work. Déjeuner, to have lunch. Inviter, to invite. Étudier, to study. Préparer, to prepare. Adorer, to love. Chanter, to sing. Demander, to ask. Fermer, to close. Dîner, to have dinner. Regarder, to watch. Jouer, to play. And last is rester, to stay. This is also a ER ending verb, but here the accent changes. So, though it falls in the first ER ending verbs group, just because of the change in the accent, direction of the accent of the second A, we have mentioned in a separate group. Préférer, to prefer. Je préfère, tu préfères, il préfère, nous préférons, vous préférez, il préfère, elle préfère. As you can see, only in nous and vous form, both the accents are same as per their original form. This is also the ER ending verbs. They are conjugated as according to the preferred verb. You can see here I have used ER ending verb formation here: E, ES, E, ONS, EZ and ENT here. This is also a first group, but it's called as GER ending verb, means to eat. Manger, to eat. Je mange, ending with E. Tu manges, il mange, elle mange, nous mangeons. As you can see, in the new form, we simply put ONS in ER ending verb, but because of its ending with GER, we have to put an extra E here. If we don't put E here in the formation of a manger, it will be considered as a wrong formation. Vous mangez, normal is it? Il mange, elle mange. This is the same group. They are conjugated as per the manger verb. Ranger, déranger, voyager, nager, neiger, changer. This is also ER ending verb, but this is ending with CER. Commencer means to start or to begin. Same ER ending formation is used here except in the new form. Je commence, tu commences, il commence, elle commence, nous commençons. As you can see here in the C new form, we have put the cédille. If we don't put the cédille here, it will be considered as commençons, and it doesn't suit in the formation. Just in the CR ending verb, we always put uh, we put cédille in new form in the commençons. They are also conjugated as commencer verb: annoncer, prononcer, divorcer, menonce. This is again er ending verb, but it's ler ending verb. Appeler means to call. J'appelle, tu appelles, il appelle. Nous appelons, vous appelez, ils appellent, elles appellent. You can see we have to put double L in je, tu, il, and ils, else form except your nouveau form. Nouveau form has only single L as per their main original form. Rappeler is the le ending verb means to recall. It is also conjugated as a appeler verb. Here is another er ending verb. Acheter means to buy. In the first e of the verbs, we have to put simply grave accent except your nouveau form. J'achète, tu achètes, il achète, elle achète. Nous achetons, vous achetez, ils achètent, elles achètent. As you can see, we don't have to put any grave accent here. It's normal er conjugation. Here is a list of the verbs which are conjugated as per the acheter verb. This is ye ending verb. This is really simply, there's a trick. Just simply make y as an I and conjugate it according to the er ending verb. Je paye. Instead of putting y, make it I and go according to the er ending verbs. Je paye, tu payes, il paye, elle paye, nous payons, vous payez, il paye, elle paye. These are the list of the verbs, y ending verbs which are conjugated as according to the paye verb. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.